Statement of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Kingdom of Cambodia regarding Thailand's baseless allegation relating to recent landmine explosion and threats against Cambodian sovereignty. 1. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of the Kingdom of Cambodia categorically rejects the false and inflammatory allegations contained in the press statement of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Kingdom of Thailand dated 10 August and 12 August 2025, which accused Cambodian armed forces of recently planting anti-personnel mine along Cambodian-Thailand border in the areas of Tamon Thom Temple, Banti Ampel District, Udom Inchai Province, Mumbai, Ansek, and Tasai, Jomsan District, Pravihir Province, which explode, causing injury to Thai military personnel. Cambodia reaffirms that these allegations are fabricated, devoid of credible evidence, and serve only to deflect attention from Thailand's own violation of the ceasefire and international law. 2. The cited incident occurred in areas that are either in dispute or in past instances well within Cambodia's internationally recognized territory as defined by the 1/200,000 scale maps produced by the Commission of Delimitation of the Boundaries between Indochina and Siem, pursuant to the 1904 Convention and the 1907 Treaty. These maps have long been accepted by both states and were relied upon by the International Court of Justice in its 1962 judgment and 2013 interpretation concerning the Temple of Pravihir. The 2000 Memorandum of Understanding on the Survey and Demarcation of Land Boundaries further prohibits unilateral military activities in the undemarcated areas, a prohibition that Thailand has repeatedly breached in complete disregard to the terms of the ceasefire. 3. Irrespective of the sovereignty question over the exact location, the incident could not have occurred had Thai military forces refrained from entering and conducting operations in well-known mine-contaminated areas, in violation of the agreed minutes of the extraordinary GBC meeting of 7 August 2025, which reaffirmed the prohibition on troop movement or patrol beyond current position. It is a fact that this area has long been documented by both national and international demining agencies as containing minefield dating from Cambodia's internal conflict of the 1970s and 1980s. 4. Cambodia as a state party to the Convention on the Prohibition of Anti-Personnel Mine, Ottawa Convention, remains firmly committed to the letter and spirit of this treaty. The Kingdom sustained mine action efforts, including the clearance of explosive remnants of war on its own territory and its well-recognized contribution to United Nations demining operation abroad, have been widely commended by international community. The repeat allegation that Cambodia has violated its binding treaty obligation by planning new mines is demonstrably false and amount to attempt to escalate tension, while both Cambodia and Thailand should be working together to hold the extremely fragile truth following the agreement to a ceasefire on 28 July 2025 and the extraordinary meeting of the General Border Committee GBC, which concluded with good outcome on 7 August 2025. 5. Of equal gravity is provocative and unlawful declaration of 10 August 2025 by the commander of Thailand's 2nd Army Region vowing to reclaim Takrabai Temple and to close Tamon Temple. Such statement amount to a prohibited threat of force under Article 2.4 of the Charter of the United Nations, are inconsistent with Thailand's obligation under the ASEAN Charter and breach the spirit and letter of the 28 July 2025 ceasefire agreement. These rhetorics follow a familiar pattern of provocation that preceded Thailand's unlawful armed offensive of 24 July 2025, which inflicted severe harm on civilians and cultural heritage. Cambodia calls upon Thailand to respect its international obligation, cease issuing misleading statements and unfounded allegations, and engage constructively in good faith to preserve the fragile truth. 6. Cambodia remains unwavering in its commitment to resolving all outstanding boundaries disputes exclusively through peaceful means, in strict conformity with the 1904 and 1907 boundary treaties MOU 2000, the jurisprudence of the International Court of Justice and the rule of international law. The Kingdom of Cambodia reiterated its principal position that no national border may be altered through the threat or use of force. 7. In the interest of regional peace and stability, Cambodia appeals to Malaysia in its capacity as the ASEAN chair, together with the other co-facilitators of the ceasefire, to expedite the establishment of a robust, impartial, and independent monitoring mechanism to ensure full respect for the agreed ceasefire, prevent escalation, and avoid further harms to the life of both military personnel and civilians. Cambodia further reaffirms that the International Court of Justice, as the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, remains the most credible and impartial institution for the final settlement of outstanding boundaries dispute, and calls upon Thailand to accept the court jurisdiction in good faith as a genuine demonstration of commitment to a just, lawful, and enduring peace. Phnom Penh, 13 August 2025.